Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen me before, this is your first time seeing me. My name is Juliet, but my friends call me Ella, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. Hello everyone, this is Keeping Up with Juliet, and thanks for clicking on my video. Guys, so welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your own base. So what I mean by base, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, base is whatever you're gonna, before you add your whitening products, your oils and all, you have to make the base first, okay, before you can add whatever thing you want to add to your cream. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make my own base and some of the products that are very essential that I put in my face cream and my body cream. I thank you for watching. So this is emulsifying wax. I'm going to be using this emulsifying wax. I'll measure a 60 ml of my emulsifying wax into the pot. I'm going to show you guys the pot. This is my measuring cup. This is like 60. Oh, this is my 60 ml of my measuring cup. I'm going to be measuring this. So this is a measurement, okay? I'm going to be having it on the you add that into a bowl, you're going to measure exactly same 60 ml of oil. So you have to choose what oil is good for your skin. For me, I'm using jojoba oil because it's actually good for sensitive and oily skin, because I'm an oily skin a person, and my skin produces excess oil already, so I don't need cream like, I don't need oil like olive oil. Okay, olive oil is very oily for me, so I'm gonna be using jojoba oil because according to research, jojoba oil is actually good for oily skin and sensitive skin. So I'm gonna be using 60 ml of jojoba oil. So this is my jojoba oil. So I'm gonna be pouring 60 ml of this oil into my spoon. So I'll be adding into my emulsifying wax. Before I forget, I also have stearic acid here. This stearic acid, I'll be adding 15 ml of stearic acid into my emulsifying wax. This is stearic acid. This is the 15 ml of stearic acid. I'm not going to be using 60 ml because I don't just like using more. Anytime I use emulsifying wax, I always put a minimum of stearic acid into my my mixture. So this is how it look inside after the mixture. So I'm gonna be putting on my double boiler pot to boil. So this is it on my double boiler pot, okay? And the second boiler, I'm gonna be adding some fresh milk. I'm gonna be adding some fresh milk into my second boiler. I don't need too much, but so I'm gonna be adding this into the second boiler. So the both of them had to boil on the same degree, okay? So you're gonna leave them to melt on the same degree. So then when it's totally melted, I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? Thank you. This is all ready now. guys can see. I'm trying my best to record it as possible. So now that they are both on the same degree, so you have to pour the milk. You have to pour the milk in here. So I stir. Don't make it too thick. So I'll wait for it to get cold. Thank you. So you're gonna step it aside, then wait a little bit for it to get cold before you blend. So this will be your base. This will be your base cream before you put any of the ingredients. So this is the result of the base. This is the result of the base. So this is how your base should look when you finish. Then before you add all your whitening products, butter, serum, and everything you need. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys whatever I add on it on the part 2 of this video. So I'm gonna stop here and keep watching for the part 2. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on how I made my emulsifying wax. So this is my emulsifying wax. This is my cream base. You can do it for at home yourself. It's not really that hard. So this is how it look, and I'm gonna blend it, and that's it. Love you guys.